Hi, in this video we're going to introduce students to how to access their College of Westchester email using Outlook. You can use the phone app or you can use Outlook as a part of Microsoft Office 365 on the web. First, let's make sure that you're aware of what your email address is here at the college. So your email address is your network username, the same username you would use to log on to the network here at the school and to the other applications, so your first initial and last name. And then that is followed by at students, and that's plural, students with an S at the end, .cw.edu. Now let's start by looking at the Outlook phone app. In this case, I'm using the Apple iPhone as the screenshot example, but the same basic techniques should apply just as well to using an Android-based phone. So you're going to want to go to the Apple Store or to Google Play and search for Outlook, and then download the Microsoft Outlook app. Once the app is downloaded, go ahead and open it up and let's get logged in. You're going to log in using your College of Westchester email address as your username, then the same password you use to get onto the network. And lastly, you're going to want to consider whether or not to enable notifications. It's encouraged that you do so, so that you do get a pop-up notification when you get a new email, but that is up to you to decide. Please note that if you're using an Android-based phone to log on, you're probably going to see this screen here where you're going to need to choose Office 365 as your account type. All right, so once you're in the Outlook app and you're logged in, you will see your inbox, and you can read a message by simply tapping on it. You can also swipe to the left and delete a message if you wish. To start a new message, look for this icon and click on it, and that will bring you to a screen like this one. After you've created your message, you will look for the sort of arrowhead-shaped icon in the upper right-hand corner of the screen and tap on that to send it. You can also get to Outlook from a web browser, which is nice because you can do that. You don't have to um, use just one or the other. You can use the web browser when it's convenient. In order to do that, you're going to access your College of Westchester Office 365 account. In order to do that, you're going to start by going to portal.office.com in a web browser, and then you're going to log on using your College of Westchester email address and password. And after you log on, you should see a list of applications like the one shown here on the screen. And we're looking, of course, for the Microsoft Outlook application. If you tap on Outlook to launch it, it's going to open Outlook for you on the web. So hopefully users will find using Outlook 365 to be pretty straightforward, but here's a quick intro to some of the key things. To read an email, just click on it in the inbox. In order to create a new email, you're going to look for this new email icon here. If you wish to file an email message, you can drag and drop it over into a file folder. If you wish to delete an email message, you can click on it and press the delete key, or right-click on it and choose delete. It's also easy to get help using the Office 365 version of Outlook. Just look for the question mark in the upper right-hand corner and tap on it, and that will bring up an interface where you can type any questions that you might have. This is also a good time to remind you that help is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week with a quick phone call to 855-577-2036, and you can submit help requests online as well. You can also email the college's internal help desk, but those responses are typically limited to the hours when the college is open. What I'm showing here is the Moodle screen where we've made it real easy to get that help information, but it's also available in the app. Just scroll down towards the bottom of the CW app and you will also find these numbers and this information for where you can get help. And that concludes this video. Thank you so much. Good luck with your studies, and we'll see you at graduation.